Heather Grant, and I'm here with Jackie Gering, who's going to talk about scholarship programs for guilds. So you're a member of the Kansas City Modern Quilt Guild, and you guys have a scholarship program.
I am, and we do.
So how did that get started?
Well, you know, it's weird. When I started quilting, I really didn't know there was a community around me. And I first discovered the community by joining my guild. And then, you know, I kind of got that support. Our guild, our leadership, had this great idea to start a scholarship program to reach outside our guild to build community.
Cool. So who did you guys first start reaching out to?
So we have a local art institute, the Kansas City Art Institute, and so they decided to reach out to those young people with a scholarship program. And we developed a really simple application process and selection process, and we reached out and we had kids apply.
And what did they do with the money?
So what's great is we gave 2 scholarships, 2 $500 scholarships, and you know, it's not a lot of money, but anytime you get a scholarship, you feel so supported, and so those kids used that for summer programs to continue their fiber arts development. And then they gave back to us. So after they attended those programs, they're actually coming to our guild to share what they learned during the program. So not only is it an outreach for them to kind of know that we exist and become kind of a part of us, but also they're getting to teach us.
You get that connection.
Yeah, and you know, guild, we're always looking for programming. Right?
Oh, yeah.
And so it gave us a monthly program, which is really exciting.
And I heard that you guys recently expanded it beyond just young people.
We did. One of our members decided that, or she just had the idea and went to the board and said, you know, why don't we expand this both externally and internally? Because all guilds have members that want to attend special workshops, conferences, programs that they can't afford to attend.
Yeah.
And so right now we're working on refining and expanding the program to support our own members so that they get to go out and apply, get chosen to go to something special like Denise Schmidt or, you know, something lovely like that and learn new skills.
Yeah.
And then again, it's a way for all of us to learn, not just them, because they're going to come back to Guild and teach and share.
So they kind of present what they learned and what they did and all that stuff, and it's more Guild programming.
And again, more Guild programming.
Oh my gosh, I like how you guys think.
Programming can be really challenging.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes we forget that our own members are so talented.
They're a rich resource.
Exactly, and we need to tap into that and develop our own people. And what a great way to use our money to support internal people to learn, and then all of us get to learn, support young people outside of our guild.
Wow, thanks for coming, Jackie. This was really great.
Thanks, Heather. It was really nice to be here.
So that's some great information on how you can start a scholarship program with your local guild.